Problem number 4. What will be the future worth of money? Future worth. After 14 months, if the sum of 10,000 is invested today, you have a principal at a simple interest rate of 12% per year. Very basic ulit. Future worth is equal to P multiplied to 1 plus I and N. So, future worth, yung ininvest mo ngayon is 10,000 pesos multiplied to 1 plus yung interest rate that is 0.12 per year. Okay? And then you have 14 months in 12 months. In a year, okay? In a year, you have 12 months. So, simplifying and then solving for the value of your future worth. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, very basic na lang itong mga part na to. 10,000 multiplied to 1 plus 0.12 times 14 divided by 12. The answer will be 11,400 pesos. That will be the future amount of your money invested at 10,000 pesos after 14 months. So, ang tinubo mo is ilan? 1,400 pesos. So, 11,400 pesos only. Yan po yung naging future worth of the money that is invested today. The last problem